When you make plans with a friend, do you ever want to say, "Let's decide later"? You might say, "Let's decide later," which is correct. But there is a more natural way to express this idea. Many English learners only use the word decide. They don't know other ways to talk about making flexible plans. This can feel a little frustrating. Have you ever wanted to make a flexible plan but didn't know the right way to say it in English? Chapter 1. The perfect phrase for a flexible plan. Native speakers often use a different phrase for this. They say, "Let's play it by ear." This phrase is a great way to suggest a flexible plan without a fixed schedule. It's a common and very natural expression. It comes from music. When a musician plays by ear, they play without reading sheet music. They just listen and play. The expression means the same thing in conversation. It means you don't want to make a firm plan. You want to see what the situation is and decide in the moment. Chapter 2. How to use "Let's play it by ear." Let's practice this useful phrase with a few examples. Imagine you're trying to decide where to have dinner with a friend. They ask, "Where should we have dinner?" You could say, "I don't know. Let's play it by ear and see what we feel like when we get there." Or, a friend asks about your weekend plans. They say, "Do you have any plans for this weekend?" You can reply, "Not really. I think we'll just play it by ear." You can add a few extra words to make it even more specific. For example, you can say, "Let's play it by ear for now," or "We'll play it by ear tomorrow." A great way to practice is to use it in a conversation with yourself. Imagine a situation where you need to make a flexible plan. Then, say the phrase out loud. This will help you remember it when you need it. Chapter 3. Beyond decide. Don't get stuck only using the word decide. Learning a phrase like "let's play it by ear" will help you sound much more natural and fluent. Mastering a language isn't just about knowing words. It's about knowing how to express your intentions in a natural way. "Let's play it by ear" is your first step. Think about a plan you need to make this week. Can you use this phrase to talk about it?